Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A time will overtake the people when they will dispatch a troop for a war. The people thereupon will say, 'Look, is there any companion of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam among them?' Then a man, a companion, will be found. So they will win a victory because of his grace. Then another detachment will be dispatched, and the people whereupon will say, 'Is there anyone among them who has seen any companion of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?' So they will win a victory because of his grace. Then a third troop will be dispatched, and it will be asked, and it will be said, 'Look, is there anyone who has seen him, who has seen any companion of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?' Later a fourth contingent will be dispatched, and it will be said, 'Look, is there anyone among them who has seen any single person who has seen the companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?' Then a person will be found, and they will win a victory because of his grace. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 6415.